Hey guys, welcome to my apartment, and today I'll show you around. Basically, in this video, I'm just gonna show you the place. I'm not gonna tell you how much it costs, how I pay for this, why I chose this place, was it hard to find it, because I want to make a Q&A. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Just to start, I'm gonna tell you that this apartment is slightly more expensive than an average one. However, I think that the quality is much higher than the average apartment. So yeah, let's get going. So here's the entrance, as you can see, and as you walk in, you can see this like clothes rack. This is what we brought from Poland, or rather my parents did. And here we have the first room, which is a toilet. It's pretty simple. It reminds me of a hotel room a lot, but yeah. Okay, next to the toilet we have another door, which is a big surprise to me. But this is basically like a control center, like water, electricity, and other stuff that I know nothing of, but we keep our toilet paper here, so it's really like the toilet theme here. Next, we have another room that I didn't expect at all, and it is the storage room. I never had anything like that before. So as you see, it's pretty messy, but it's just to store stuff that we don't use every day, like my tripod, which you can see by the frequency I upload here. Okay, so that was the entrance, and here's the main living slash kitchen slash study area. And I guess we will start with the kitchen. Okay, so this kitchen is pretty much what you can expect, I think, everywhere, but it's very modern and it has this modern look. For example, we have a coffee machine and this, which is like an electric cooker, I think it's called. We don't have that much storage, like it looks as more storage than it actually is. So we also have this IKEA. Here we have a dishwasher. We thought, me and my boyfriend, because I live with him, I didn't mention that, but we thought we would never use it because it's like cheaper not to, but then we do it every day, so yeah. This thing is my least favorite thing about this apartment because it's like the color matches absolutely nothing here, but it's fine. And then we have this thing. We both only have a general idea on how to use it because it's a microwave and an oven, which is a pretty standard thing in the Netherlands from what I noticed. But yeah, the cool thing is that we have a big fridge and we have a lot of stuff here because I just started a diet plan and needed to do a lot of shopping. But yeah, for example, my friend, she lives with 2 other people and she has a smaller fridge, so I feel very lucky. Here we have a mirror, that's the first thing, and more storage area, which is actually my favorite, one of the favorite parts here, because I put a lot of plants. Actually, the whole look of this, I don't like it that much. I would prefer if everything was in the boxes, but like it's kind of a waste of money and space to put a box everywhere. So for now it just looks like this. And here I'm trying to reproduce some plants. I also have an onion, but I think it's not doing that well. And yeah, besides that, just some random things like my tech or my bags, towels, yeah. Here, as you see, we have a table. I will not elaborate on that any further, and a sofa, which is pretty cute. But I was surprised because it doesn't like unfold into a bed. So yeah, we can't really sleep over that many people here, even though it's a pretty big space. And yeah, this is my boyfriend's area where he studies, plays games. Honestly, I don't really know, but it's not my vibe, as you can see. Oh, most of the decorations are of my doing, except for this, so I guess you can spot the difference. Okay, here are some decorations, let's say. This is something that our landlords called the hanging rail system. And basically we can't really drill into the walls and like do anything to the walls. So this is where we can hang the decor, and it's like moving, as you see. You can also adjust the height. So we just hang our like shopping bags here just because it wasn't my idea, okay? And this is the only piece of decor here that I bought a few days ago, and after I saw it, I decided I couldn't live without it because it's just so pretty. It's a tufted rug that looks like a baby goat, and actually it's made in India, so hello to all of my Indian subscribers. I know there's quite a lot of you. Okay, here we have a TV, which we also use quite often because we have Netflix on it, so it's great. And here is my probably absolute favorite space in this apartment. It's my study space. So I have a lot of plants here. I got them from my neighbor who is moving out, so I'm very grateful for that. And then I have a monitor. It's actually not a computer, it's a laptop, but it's connected to the monitor. And here we have a printer, which is probably not the ideal place to keep it, but I don't really have a choice at this point. Okay, and the best thing about this is that you can change the height of the desk. Okay, it's maybe not the ideal height, but as you can see, when my back hurts, I can just stand up and do my work like this, which is, well, very useful, even though like you don't really want to get up when you're sitting, but yeah. And also, I mean, the view is absolutely amazing. It's more of an industrial view rather than like some pretty penthouse skyscrapers vibe, but I actually enjoy it. I see so many boats and ships every day. Okay, here's the entrance to the bedroom, and I have some random challenges here. Oh, if you want to join the morning routine challenge, you still can. I'll post a description in the link in the description. Anyway, guys. So here's the bedroom. It's actually pretty empty because it's just the bed and then some closets and or clothes. Oh, and the luggage is there. I can actually show you my wardrobe because it's pretty tidy. Okay, here we can go to the bathroom, which is actually where the shower is and all the stuff like that. So it's a pretty standard bathroom, but I really like the fact that we have the marble walls because, I don't know, it adds to the whole hotel room vibe and it just looks aesthetic, even though the like whole lighting and the darkness here makes it impossible to do makeup. So I sometimes just do my eyebrows and then I'm like, what is this? Here we just have some cosmetics. It's mostly mine, especially the hair stuff. So yeah, and here you can see the shower. Okay, I think I intended to say that in the intro, but I didn't. But I also want to show you some of my building because this is also what makes this place pretty amazing. The first cool thing is that I can open my door with this thing, so I don't need a key, but then it closes itself, so I never worry whether I close the door or not. My corridor looks like this. Here's my laundrette, but I can't really go inside because it's closed because it's the weekend. But if you want to see a little tour, you can watch this video. I'll post it somewhere there. It's a very short video, so. Yeah, then we have a gym, so we're going there. I think back on all the stupid things I said, but you have this effect on me, and if we're being honest here, there's no need to pretend. There's also a sauna here, but I haven't really used it yet. Just because you don't have a shower here and I don't have good clothes to like go here naked, you know? And now we're gonna go to the rooftop terrace. Now that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. Also, I have another videos about my university, so hopefully you'll find them in the university playlist. Bye!